Hello, it's right here. I know what I'm gonna do for episode 3. What I'm gonna do for episode 3 is cook. I love to cook. Today I am gonna make poor man's stew. If you guys don't know what poor man's stew, how can I show you? Oh, that's right, I'm showing you. Okay, whoa. Okay, so what you're gonna need is meat, carrots if you want, tomato sauce, potatoes, and cauliflower, and broccoli. You do that close to, I'm supposed to set this at 5. Hold on. People you have in your house. I have 2, so I'm gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have 5. Now hold on, I'm gonna take them to the sink. They're all clean now. Shiny! Okay, I need to go to the refrigerator with all my junk in it and grab the meat. Yeah, I think that's it. So, I grab the meat and I grab a board to cut. Sorry, too loud. And I grab a knife. Yes, I'm very careful with these, by the way. Next is I need carrots. Carrots. My favorite carrots. Go back to the refrigerator and I get my long carrots. And there's only 2 left in there, but if I make them small enough, I think I can fit. I'm gonna kind of like get this so you can see me. Okay. I'm just gonna leave that on tape. I my 2 carrots. And I'm gonna clean them. Okay, so what am I gonna do is I'm gonna cut the meat first. Meat's always first. Well, it does not have to be first, but it surely can be. There's the meat. I hate storms. Grab the knife and just start chopping them. What? No. It's in my room under my bed. Okay. You should know where it's at. Whatever. Oopsies. Sorry about that. I'm gonna clean you, phone. Okay, stop. Shoot. I don't know why she hates bacon, but one of my friends do. It's just after I'm done cutting this, I will cut the potatoes. The potatoes. Stuff. I just want to move it over into a bowl. Disgusting. So, it's in a bowl. I'm going over to the sink and I'm going to wash my hands. Blood. I'm joking. That's the meat blood. Don't get nervous. I don't kill anybody. Maybe. I'm joking now. So, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to grab potatoes. Okay? I'm going to slightly slice these. I can't get my words right today. I'm not feeling the best. That's good. Okay, I'm going to set you down. Hope you guys can see everything. I don't know if you guys can. So, I want to... Oh, yum. Are these ripe? Yeah. So, then I just... That's how I cut. So So Quincy, not Quincy, somebody somebody in my class, he had a stapler, and he had a red marker, an expo marker, I think. Well, what he did was he colored over the stapler and everything to make it look like blood. And he went to my teacher and he's like, I'm bleeding. And Miss Herman freaked out. And I was like, oh my gosh. And then my other friend, she thinks she's on something. I don't know why. She's so stupid these days. I don't get her. Anyways, she laughed so hard that she cried, I think. It was that day. So she cried. And I was like, oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding. I was like, oh my gosh, I fell for that trick too. And then, I think it was some boy, he's ugly. Not ugly, I shouldn't say. He's weird. I'll say that instead, better. Sorry. But, ew, and ew. He likes to tease girls. He has a crush on this other girl, and she does too. So he did too, and Olivia didn't laugh. I don't know why. Because he's not funny. Say, Alan, if you're gonna watch my videos. So yes, he does watch videos. Yes, he used to be my boyfriend, and no, he's disgusting. I'm still elementary, but I'm 6th grade. Yes, I'm 6th grade. Ooh, that hurt. Okay, I'm going to get these potatoes done. Yes, that is a lot of potatoes. Potatoes are my favorite, though. I make them fried. And then there's my meat. So now what I do is I go over here and go in the home. Oh, by the way, do you guys like my wash and dryer? Yeah, it's cute and everything. So I have this little cabinet over here, all of cans. Whoop. I want to use that little one. Well, this is going to be a long video outside. Long video. I think you guys seen more than long videos. Anyway, so, now we'll go down to my twister. Oh, I have to tell you a funny story, but it's not so funny. My sister, my little sister, not my big sister, smashed her hands into here. Ooh, see, I'll show you. Oh, shit. Okay. So, she's just only like one, but like that little thing, she smashed it and she went into there and it smashed like that. And she hurt her little fingers. I felt bad, but my dad didn't want me to pick her up, so I caught it. And she ended up getting hurt. And I felt bad for her. I mean, what was I supposed to do? Anyways, move on. So, now I grab the olive oil. Okay, so I just put the oil in. Kind of smash this around with my hands. Oil, that stuff, and I'll let it cook. Let it cook. Right here. It is 5:49. Put it on 6. Hold on, let me go yell at my sister for a minute. Woo! Don't push me. I hate my sister these days. I'm gonna put you on pause.